How to enroll in Zelle via US Bank application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to do so is quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, open the app and log in using your credentials. Once that is done, navigate to the Zelle. It is available at the bottom navigation bar and then tap on Send Money. After that, tap on the Get Started button for Zelle. Once you tap on Get Started, you will land to this page. Hereby, you have to choose an email address or phone number linked to your US Bank profile. For example, you can select your registered phone number as well. Once you have clicked on it, tap on the Next button. After that, you will land to this page. The process is to enter the verification code. Code is provided in your registered number and then you can tap on Continue to move forward. Once verified, you have to now tap on the Enroll button. Now confirm the details and complete the enrollment process and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.